I have a strict policy against dating crazy people.
I'm here for something more apasionante.
What's that supposed to mean?
She seeks what the common nombre refers to as a booty call.
¡Ah!